Hey guys, it's Sam here from sugarspunrun.com, and today I will be showing you how to make a blueberry cobbler. Blueberry cobbler is a classic summer recipe and it is a personal favorite of mine. Today I want to show you how I make my favorite version of blueberry cobbler. The first thing you'll want to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you'll need to go ahead and grab 6 cups of fresh blueberries. Sprinkle a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar over your berries. Add a 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and stir everything together really well. Now pour your blueberry mixture into a lightly buttered 11x7 rectangular pan. Alright, now set that aside, and now we're going to make our blueberry cobbler topping. It's a very simple shortcake or biscuit-like topping, slightly sweetened and very simple to make. The first thing you'll need is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Pour this into a large bowl and add a 1/4 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together really well, and then you'll need 6 tablespoons of very cold, unsalted butter. Now you can use a pastry cutter to cut this butter into your flour mixture, but my personal preference is to use a box grater and grate the butter, and then stir that into your dry ingredients until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Now add a 1/2 cup of cold heavy cream and a 1/3 cup of cold milk and stir everything together until it forms a thick batter. We'll bring back our blueberry mixture and we'll drop our blueberry cobbler topping evenly over the blueberry mixture. The blueberry cobbler topping does not need to cover the whole pan. It's okay if you just have mounds of topping, but do try to evenly distribute it. At this point, your cobbler can go in the oven, but I like to brush the tops of mine with heavy cream and then generously sprinkle everything with plenty of coarse sugar for a nice, slightly crispy and very sweet topping. Now we will bake our blueberry cobbler in our 425 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. If you notice that the top is becoming really brown, you can go ahead and cover the top with aluminum foil and then bake an additional 10 minutes. I like to take a toothpick and poke that through the blueberry cobbler topping and make sure it comes out clean or with just a few dry crumbs to tell that it's done. Blueberry cobbler is best served warm, but do be aware that while it's warm, the filling is going to be pretty messy. It will firm up a bit as it cools. And that is how you make my favorite blueberry cobbler. I think you guys are really going to love this super simple recipe. I hope you will try it out, and please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.